What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up in my people. You don't know, so when the attacking boss I recommend something, people, me I recommend the realest, the legit thing. No joke. Well, people, right about now me I talk about Angeline's Beauty here. 101,000,000% natural human hair, my people, for the cheapest rate, for the cheapest price you can't beat. And anywhere you're there in the world, people, she can ship it to you fast. So me I talk about, people, Angeline's Beauty here. Just check below for the link in the description, my people. And please, when you go purchase, people, just make sure you know say a NEWLINK send you, because when you say NEWLINK send you, people, you get 10% discount. No joke about it. When me say 10% discount, and them era people, them cheaper than the people them who even make them, who take you out of them head. Cause 100% human hair for the cheapest price. Check it out, people. Ladies, I know say you want them. Check them now. Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know, so they're attacking past there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. So right about now, my people, they up on the Monday, I understand. And for telling the truth right now, my viewers and subscribers, I have some really sad news again in the people. See, because yesterday, Sunday, on the Father's Day, my people, you get what me I say, where we should have did celebrate our great fathers, them and thing, people. And you don't know, say, we have this tragic incident that happened in Jamaica in a Clarendon, people. You understand? And for telling the truth, people, another sad news has come to the attacking boss' attention again. And this is about another incident, people, involving Jamaican nationals, not in Jamaica, but over in Antigua and Barbuda. And to tell you the truth now, people, we are not dealing with young people right now. We are dealing with big people. Zine, big man, big woman. And sadly, my people, the female, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, is the victim again in this situation, my people. So, news has come to the attacking boss' attention now, people, that a 50-year-old lady, you understand, over in Antigua, people, hear that she have Jamaican background and thing, was killed by her boyfriend, people, you understand, who get a second chance because it is something that he has done already, attempted to kill her already, my people. She managed to give him a second chance, my people, Zine, and this is what it turned out to, my viewers and subscribers. It is also said her son, who is 21 years old, people, right now for in intensive care, people, pertaining to wounds he received during the attack on his mother by this demonic thing. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. And news even reaching the attacking boss' attention that this demonic thing, who is 47 years old, my people, is a full Jamaican national. Oh my world, oh my precious. So, me have some little, you understand, pinpoints in one little article, you know, people. I would just go to the local pinpoints them, and then the attacking boss dropping some attack. Because some attack really have to dropping up people. No joke, jaja. The victim of Sunday's homicide in Castle Hill has been identified as 50-year-old Althea Henry. Henry was found in her home with machete wounds about her body. Henry's 21-year-old son was also injured during the attack and is now in intensive care unit at the Sir Lester Bird Mount St. John's Medical Center. News understands that the perpetrator is Jamaican Linson Boyd, who is now on the run. In 2017, Boyd was charged with attempted murder. Henry, who was 47 at the time. The charge was brought against Boyd after Henry was found in a bloody and bruised state in Radio Range, the police said in a Stratcom release. The woman, who was discovered by a passerby, was lying on a piece of cardboard in a bushy area with a large blood-splattered rock next to her head. She was rushed to hospital by ambulance and was admitted to the intensive care unit in critical condition. According to the police, Boyd was arrested and taken into custody shortly following the discovery. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Zin? So, basically, people, what the article is telling you right now, people, that this Cynthia now, right, committed a very gruesome act, same way to the lady, my people, back in 2017. See? And see it now, people, just 4 years now. Boom, it strike. But wait now, people, it take her 3 points and take her out. Yeah, this piece of Cynthia I look at now, my viewers and subscribers, where them say on the run right now. And the question where a lot of people been asking people, Zin, the question, is that how him committed something like this, which is attempted murder, people, where them find her in a bush with cardboard next to her with big stone, did blood and this and that, people. And she was even in critical condition, attempted murder, and he managed to come out, you understand, and was even living with her. My viewers and my subscribers, I don't know the attacking basket to work. Me have to investigate people, because that was something when me I look into too. So when we do my checks, then my viewers and subscribers, I have found out that the same lady who is the victim, people, rest in peace, Althea again, Zin, she, my people, on a real level, she gave this man a second chance. Zin, she gave him a second chance, and she was the one who begged for them to release him after this happened, because he was in custody, people. Charges was going to laid against him and he was going to be sentenced. But it is said that she dropped the charges, people, and she begged and plead. It is said that close friends over there in Antigua who know her very well, they beg her, they talk to her about what can happen. See, because they see that this man is problem, and for him do something like that, people, him can snap and him can do it again. And maybe the next time, she not go live to come drop no charges, people, because them a go, okay. And see it now, my viewers and subscribers, just 4 years apart, and maybe 3.5 years or 3 years and some months, people. What happened? And sadly, her son, who is 21 years old, end up could have lose him life, people. Right now, him there in intensive care, but I didn't get the information if it was really serious, where him have maybe 10% a chance to live, or 5%, you know what I mean? But what I'm saying now, my people, this is something what we see happen over and over and over. Zine, people become victims, people, mean attempted, you know what I mean? And they manage to come so boom and say them a get chance because our love, because of likes. The man can change in a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year and did it with you, and then 5 year him just come like that, even 9 years. Zine, because I have seen comments where people are saying, look here, every morning early when me I go work, I pass the two of them exercising, so they can't believe right now. You see it, people? He came out, pretend to be a change man, people, pretend everything was going to be good, pretend everything was going to be great. Then what happened? People see them exercise, living, loving, drinking water from the same bottle, hugging up, kissing up. You understand? But see it there? In just a few, everything changed, people. Him use a machete them, say, people, and inflict several wounds to her body. She was found unresponsive. See? She never make it. You don't know, say a son who is 21 years old, people, saw his mother being attacked. Come on. We think he might go stay and watch. He might go jump in, he might go fit in. See? And what happened, people? This piece of Cynthia and our friend, look pan it, people. Just look pan it. You can't see one of them something they were rub out him, copper color kin, you know. You see him kin look like curry pan it. Just look pan it, people. Attack for it. So them say it depend on run now, people. Wait depend on run I go. Wait I go in a sinkhole or something where they take a plane and the back pan the way yard. But remember, people, is picture all over the place. This is wickedness. You know what I mean? And Father's Day, people. Zine, where fathers should not get love. You know what I mean? Good fathers, real father we are dealing with. Because we don't know, so we have some donor out there who no suit, no purpose. Zine, and we have some man out there, people, who have to play the role of a father, even though there is not a biological father. So we have to big them up too. Zine? But this a piece of Cynthia now, people. You know what I mean? With the Jamaican full printed pan him background, people. This is what he has done. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But my people, And ladies, you saw the vlog I did the other day, people, pertaining to that female who in a Jamaica who got through the same thing, and them say them talk to her people and she give the boy a second chance and this and that, and it lead to where she's now dead. And now people see it. This is a big lady. She's what, 50-year-old, people? See? And this man, 47-year-old, right? And what happened? What happened? Big man, big woman. But see where it reach to people. So when people are going to talk and say, young boy this, young boy that, people, it's a cycle. A lot of these big man, they tripped. The head chipped. Them not good, them not in a sense. See? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Only Jah sees and he knows the people. See? But yo, I have seen it, people, where people are playing, people are balling, and you know what I mean? A lot of times things do happen in Antigua, people. Like them something here, and you always hear some Jamaican involved. When they are not victim, you know what I mean? They are the one who are behind these acts. A lot of times, people, I'm not going to say all the time, but a lot of times, because you see the story them that I covered, people, you know that I focus on stories around the Caribbean, around the world, but mostly in Jamaica, my people. And you have seen it. Huh? Only Jah sees and he knows, my people. A straight attack for it. Anywhere there. No leniency, no joke where they attack NEWLINK attacking boss. Ladies, you know, wise up. A man attack you with machete, put on how much wound pan you, or a big stone, left you dead in a bush with cardboard pan you, and you are going to come and boy, you give him chance. You are going to come and beg and pray for them, let him out. And when got so sweet you? Had the tongue, or the banana. What could a sweet you so? It's sad you're gone, and me have to say my condolences to your family and everything, and speedy recovery to your son. But yo, all of this could have been prevented. You know what I mean? All of this could have been prevented, and I've seen it where a lot of friends are saying it could have been prevented. But what? It's sad. It happened. It done. But what? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. My viewers and my subscribers, you don't know the thing going on, my people. They are giving thanks to life as usual, my viewers and subscribers. And I just more love, more respect. Thanks for the love, my people. Thanks for the support. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for commenting. And please remember to do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official, my people. Follow me on Twitter, NEWLINK production, same way, my people. Follow me on Facebook, NEWLINK production, attacking boss with a H on the attack, my people. Remember, people, please, you can do contribute to my channel also. I do have a PayPal link right below the video. Become a NEWLINK patron today, people. It's easy, just make that click and become a patron to see some great works that we have coming in, my people. You can also get the NEWLINK shirt, then my people. Check out the NEWLINK wear. The link is below, my people, and purchase a phone case, a shirt, a coffee cup, anything, and support the channel, my people. You understand? And you don't know the thing, my people. Remember the NEWLINK Foundation coming up in September, people, and we're looking the support towards that again. You know what I mean? Really and truly, people, we're looking the support. So, want the people and for join and on board, check below in the description, people, for my email, for my phone number, and link up the attacking boss and make a support and do it from your heart. You don't know the thing of people. More love, more respect, more blessings. What a wicked piece of sin thing, man. Jah sees, Jah knows. Peace out. I'm out. Blessings.